vlog. I made it to EPCOT this morning. The goal for today is to do as much Festival of the Arts activities as we can and to try new food and to pick up my Passholder Magnet. So those are like my 3 goals. Guys, another thing I forgot to mention is it is extremely cold today. Like probably one of the coldest days for Florida. Yeah, I think it's like 45 degrees right now, and I'm stupid. I'm wearing a dress, so. Yeah, it is so cold, but it's okay. It's kind of funny because I just have this sweater with like a dress, and everyone's in pants because everyone's smarter than me. First things first, I'm just checking off my list. I'm getting the Passholder Magnet that I came here for. My fate is going to be decided by if I can buy some gloves or not. So I got the magnet, and I did not see gloves anywhere. So, as a backup plan, I'm just going to look for like a sweater or a blanket, and I'll just like drape it around me, you know? Sometimes you have to wing it. I guess it's a day to buy something that I don't need to buy. This is the hard part. If I buy a jacket, I have to make it one that I actually like. Nah. When I find the perfect one, I'll know. Okay, here's some sweaters. This is super cute, but it's too big. That's kind of cute. Let's see. I have the gray Disneyland version and the white Disney World version. It's gonna be a little bit ridiculous if I bought a blue one too. This is kind of cute. It's like an EPCOT blanket. Oh no, it's a 4 Parks blanket. Honestly? Medium. There's also something with purple. Maybe. It's purple. It's $70 though. Isn't that ridiculous? I don't feel as bad about having to buy this now because look at all these people having to buy a blanket or a jacket. My legs don't get cold, so like I'll be fine. This is so funny. Anyways, I'm going to Spaceship Earth because it was down when I got here. Now it's back up and it's like a 10-minute wait. It's warm in there. The blanket's helping tremendously. The wind is like 14 miles an hour. Will you be okay? I can see my breath and also other people's breath. And also, that's how you know as a Floridian that it's cold, is if you can see your breath. Going to Communicore Hall to see all of the cool displays they have there for the festival, and then I'm gonna figure out food, hopefully. Really not sure if I want to walk all the way to the World Showcase in this wind. It's crazy. I'm a lot warmer with this blanket. It's pretty bearable. It's only my hands that bother me, so as long as my fingers are covered, we're good. I never know what to expect when I vlog. I didn't know that this vlog was gonna be like a survival vlog. Oh my gosh, wait. This is the best Communicore Hall makeover yet. This is what I'm talking about, Disney. This is actually cool for once. I mean, not that the other Communicores were that bad. I mean, they were pretty bad. They were kind of boring. They were like a food hall. But this is different. This is really nice. Bringing in real costumes. I hope they do this every year. whole museum. So cute. And then they're selling art, of course. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my god, he's precious. He's precious. Look at his outfit. Oh, he's adorable. I love it. That is so cool. That's interesting. I've never seen the musical. I didn't know they made the little puppet. Mary Poppins, I love her. This is so cool. I'm very pleased with what they did in Communicore Hall. It's so nice. And now I'm just walking. I mean, it's really pretty and beautiful outside. Like what? What a sight. Anyway, since it's his festival, we're walking towards the Figment ride. Let's go see the man himself. I'm having pretty good luck with the wait time so far. Well, I found the mural, so that's exciting. I think I'm gonna try to do it now. So yeah, I did a tiny little line, purple line in the corner there. This is what it will look like in the end. So that's exciting. Time for the grilled cheese. I'll try it on its own first. This is definitely best of the fest for when it's cold. Here's the festival passport. These are the people that are performing tonight. Now, this is another best of the fest for me. It is the empanada from the Encanto themed booth between Morocco and France. And I might take that little boat across the way to it because it's so cold. But let's see what else is on the list. Definitely not probably getting all of this today, but another thing I'm interested in is the deviled egg trio. That's in America. It looks like the only other thing I'm interested in today is the croqueta from the Mexico Pavilion. The food is delicious. Now I have my game plan of what else I want to try. And I'm going to take this boat because it takes me right to Morocco near the Encanto booth. So, why am I here right now in this weather? The line for the Encanto booth is always pretty long. What an adventure. I could not find somewhere to sit. So guys, I'm not even kidding. I'm literally at the phone booth. I literally got both of these because I was hungry. I did not eat today. All I've had is that thing I ate. So very crispy and crunchy, and yeah, it's really good. You know what's good when it makes you dance. Alright, I'm at the American food booth. I'm gonna get the deviled egg trio because it sounds yummy. Here is the deviled egg trio. And I got some Powerade. I don't remember which one is which. This is obviously Green Goddess, but yeah. This one must be the pimento cheese. it's different than I would think it would be. Like, it's just a hard-boiled egg with the topping. That was pretty good. Okay, now let's try green goddess. I'll probably like this one the least. It's alright. I want to finish this up so I can go see the Voices of Liberty. Okay. Last one, BLT. I see the B. I think that's the L, but I don't know about the T. Same thing, just the topping. It's just alright. Their outfits are so cute. Their new outfits.
We are the Voices of Liberty!
Love to watch the Voices of Liberty because I love choral music. So yeah, it is so cold, guys. Not my normal weather that I'm used to. So I think I'm gonna go back on that boat, back across, maybe get one last little snack or maybe some sort of warm drink or something, and honestly head back to my car. So there were a few things I didn't get to do. Festival of the Arts wise, so that is the Broadway show, because the first one's not till 5:45. It's only like gonna be 3 soon. And the Animation Academy, they both take place in the American Pavilion, or not in where I was just now, but at the big stage outside. And so I missed both of those. It was probably not the best decision to come here today when it's this cold, but also I just don't care because I still have fun. Well, I did a Photopass thing, and now I'm going to ride Nemo because it's going to be warm in there, and they have the aquarium. blizzard out there. Not literally, but basically to me. So I'm gonna head toward the car, I think. The Photopass photographers are always so nice. I literally love them so much. Oh my god, I finally made it. Thank you so much for watching my vlog and bearing with me through the crazy weather, but I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!